Hello, I'm Holly and this is my brand, Holly Homewares. I'm an artist in residence at DU and I graduated last year, and I've been given a year to use the full access of the workshops to develop new ranges and to take my work to a trade show. The main inspiration for my collection, Curious Chic, was to create a classic tea and coffee collection, and I wanted this to be so I could look back on my work in 10 years' time and still think it was relevant in the design industry. So this is why I chose black, white and gold, because of its timeless appeal, and definitely the gold as well to give its luxury element. So this is the plaster workshop, and this is where we do all of our model making. You can do things that are really large scale and sculptural, or you can do things that are more industry led, like slip casting, so making the models for those. And I'll show you those now. So these are some of my models, and they've been made using the lathe there, so it turns pretty fast. Let me show you that. So it spins really fast, and you can change the speed on it as well. And this is what I've done with those there. So this is going to be used for slip casting, and I'll take that into the ceramic workshop. But first it will need to dry off because it's too wet at the minute, so it's only just been cast. So these are some of the models from my new collection, and they'll be the first few that I'll be casting, so who knows if it'll work or not. So now I'll leave that for about 15 minutes and then I'll pour it out, and then I'll cut off the top and then wait for it to dry a bit and then take it out. So I'll take these down to the glaze room. So it has to be done quite quickly, otherwise the glaze goes too thick. So I'll wait for that to dry, and then I'll be able to spray the outside as well. So the Artist in Residency scheme gives me the opportunity to carry on making. So without all of the support of the workshops and the technicians, I don't think I'd be able to carry on making in the quantities that I have, and to help me prepare for the shows that I wanted to do as well. As well as doing the residency, I've also been on the Crucible project, and it's helped me to commercialise my work more and to make sure I'm finding the right audience and setting my work at the right prices as well. I think it can be quite easy to just carry on making, but if I wanted to earn a living from it, I needed to understand the business side of things, and they've been the ones that have helped me to get to the trade shows that I wanted to get to, and to help get my work recognised as well. So because the plaster's porous, it absorbs the water in the clay, and that's what leaves a casting layer of clay, and that's what becomes the teacup. So design crafts degree, I absolutely loved it. I basically spent most of 3 years in the workshops making the most of them. Some really good facilities to use. So I learned things like using the lathe, I learned how to glaze, make my own glazes, make my own moulds, but also learning things like CAD as well. So it helped me to visualise them before I made them as well. And basically it's given me the confidence to carry on making my own work and try and make it into a career.